How to fix Facebook's follow limit reached. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in this video I will show you the way on how you can fix or what you can do when Facebook says that your follow limit has actually been reached. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first things first, simply make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Facebook app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Facebook, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Facebook app, what you want to do is you can simply go over and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now what happens is that, let's say you saw a certain public figure or a particular page that you might want to give a follow. But when you try to follow them, you simply notice that it says that your follow limit has been reached. Now you have to keep in mind that Facebook allows a maximum of 5,000 followings per account. So if you've already been friends with 5,000 people and you've already followed 5,000 individuals on Facebook, you will not be able to follow more than that. So instead, what you can do in this case is that you have to go ahead and unfriend or unfollow a certain bunch of people whom you do not want to actually follow. You have to eliminate a certain list of following, and then only you could go ahead and try to add other people to your following list. But keep in mind that 5,000 is actually the maximum at the current moment. In order to follow a particular public figure or a page, what you have to do is open up the profile right over here, and all you have to do is tap on this little check icon at the right hand side next to the profile, and you could find this option which is unfollow. Simply select unfollow in order to unfollow that particular person, and you'll stop seeing posts from that particular feed. So when you reach the maximum of 5,000 people following on Facebook, you will not be able to follow more than that. So in this case, you have to go ahead and unfollow your old followings, and now you could go ahead and simply follow new public figures, personal celebrities, and other pages as well. And hopefully this video answered your question as to what you can do when Facebook says that your following limit has been reached. It simply means that your following limit has been reached, and that is about all. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.